Have you ever taken a train? Listen to this conversation in a train station and learn how to use punctuation in conditional sentences.
How can I help you?
I'd like a ticket to New York City, please.
When do you want to leave?
I need to be there by 6 o'clock. Which train should I take?
If you take the 1 o'clock train, you'll be there on time.
Great, I'll take a ticket for the 1 o'clock train then.
And do you want a one-way ticket or a round-trip ticket?
Is it cheaper to get 2 one-way tickets or 1 round-trip ticket?
You pay less if you get a round-trip ticket. It costs $20.
Great, I'll take a round-trip ticket.
Can I help you with anything else?
Yes, do they serve food on the train?
I'm sorry, but they don't.
That's okay. If I had known, I would have brought some food. Anyway, thanks for your help.
You're welcome. Have a safe trip.
We use conditional sentences to talk about conditions and effects. Today we will learn how to use punctuation in conditional sentences. Watch our other videos on conditional sentences to learn more about the tenses that we use in them. In conditional sentences, there is a conditional clause that starts with if and a result clause. We can put the if clause first, or we can put the result clause first. If the if clause is first, we put a comma in between the two clauses. If the result clause is first, we do not use a comma in between the two clauses. If it is sunny, he will bike to work. He will bike to work if it is sunny. Now it's your turn. Click pause and put a comma in the sentences that need one. This is American English. Thank you for watching.